I have a model containing multiple tables and I have a lot of measures scattered across all these tables. You can see that I have a measure inside the calendar, inside the accounts, inside the actual table, inside the cost center, everywhere. Now I need to create one table. I'm going to call it all measures, and I need to move all the measures inside this new table. I'm going to start by just creating a table. I'm going to use the home ribbon and enter data. This will open the create table window. The default is one column named column 1. I'm not going to change this, and I'm not going to add any data. I'm just going to give a name for the table. Let me call it all measures. And then I'm going to click on load. Here you go. I have a new table called all measures. If you expand it, you'll find that I have only one column called column 1. I can choose any of the measures and just drag them and drop it inside the new table, and the measure will be moved. However, I have a lot of measures scattered across all the tables. It is much easier if I can select them all at once and then drop them all inside the new table in one move. In order to do so, I'm going to select any table from the model and then Control A to select all the tables. I need to unselect any table that is not containing measures. For example, I know that all measures at the moment does not contain any measures, so I'm going to press and hold Control and unselect it. Now all these selected tables containing measures, I can just right click any one of them and select measures, and here you go, all the measures are selected. I can just select any one of them and drag and drop inside all measures, and here you go, I managed to move all the measures inside the newly created measures table. Finally, if you want to make sure that this table will be on top of the list of all your tables, you can just rename it and put any special character at the beginning. So I'm going to right click and then rename, and I'm going to delete the word all, and I'm going to put underscore at the beginning. Now you'll see that this table at top of your list of tables, so it's much easier now to select any of these measures for your visuals. You can also delete column 1, the only column that we have in this table. Right click and delete from model, and then click on yes. Now the table is dedicated for only measures. That's it for today. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe, and check out the other videos in this channel. Thank you very much and see you in next video, and bye.